Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like, share and comment the video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a shape, remove the background color, duplicate the shape, change the color of shape, select the color filter. Then select the 3D shape, the path 4, 6, select the angle, select the emboss button, change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.